talk about what steps you can take to turn your passion or your dreams into a sustainable career. You cannot take action if you are not decided that you're actually going to go into this journey. Once you hop into that journey, you need all the reasons why you need to continue. Are you really willing to trade your potential for comfort and call it happiness? I am currently on my way to a masterclass. I haven't taken a class in acting for so long, and I'm super excited because I have literally been waiting to take this class. So while I was abroad in Canada, I was actually thinking about taking classes again. And yeah, I'm taking you guys with me. Let's talk about what steps you can take to turn your passion or your dreams into a sustainable career. So, just a little bit of background, a little bit of context. I used to be a pre-med student. So here in my country, everyone who takes, not really everyone, but majority of those people who take pre-medicine courses go into medicine. So I was kind of like destined to be a doctor. Being a doctor is a great profession, but I just knew to myself that if I was gonna do it, I was gonna just do it for money and nothing else. And I asked myself a question: do I actually wanna live like that, like just work for money? And the answer was no. The first step is always making the decision to go for whatever you want. You cannot take action if you are not decided that you're actually going to go into this journey. Because let me tell you, once you hop into that journey, you need all the reasons why you need to continue, because it is not easy starting from scratch. So the first step will always be making that decision and making that commitment to yourself and finding your why. Why are you actually doing this? Second step will be about you balancing practicality with passion. Although I am all for people going for their passions, pursuing their passions, living their dreams, defining their own success, we are in this world where money actually matters, stability actually matters, and you cannot go for whatever purpose you have if you do not have your basic needs met, if you don't have that bottom layers of the Maslow's hierarchies met. So the second step is for you to create a plan in order for you to keep the current job you have, but at the same time, give yourself space to start doing whatever you need to do. So for me, that actually looked like me teaching while I was building foundations for the career that I actually wanted. So when I graduated with the pre-med course, I didn't go into medicine because, like I said, I really didn't want to live just to make money. I didn't want to work just to make money. And I just had kind of like no passion for medicine, if that makes sense. But I didn't quit that line right off the bat. I took a job that's going to allow me to make money, but at the same time, a job that's fluid enough for me to be able to build the foundations for the career that I actually want to build, which is acting and entrepreneurship. So you also need to find a way for you to find that good balance between you earning money, but at the same time, you having the freedom or even just like free time in the evening to do whatever it is that you need to do to shift careers, or to start the business, or to start the project that you've always wanted to start. And the third step is growing yourself. The third step is watering your skills, or kind of earning new skills in order for you to be worthy of whatever future self you want to build. You need to be able to be willing to invest in yourself, like take courses if you have to, study if you have to, network if you have to, whatever that may look like for you. The biggest investment you could make for your dreams, for your passion, especially in the beginning, is investing in yourself, getting the skills that you need, getting the connections that will aid you and that will guide you to that future self. And then the fourth step is to just keep on going. There will come a time where things just feel so repetitive. There will come a time where you feel like you're just going in circles. There will come a time where you feel like you keep on trying, trying, but you also keep on failing, and it looks like you won't actually reach the end. Especially in the beginning, everything is going to look so hard at first because you haven't done enough reps in order for the thing you're doing to feel easy. If you're working out, if you're lifting weights, you could probably relate to this. The first time you lifted that weight, the first time you tried that machine, the first time you tried that exercise, it actually took you so much in order for you to just finish one set. And that's the same thing with everything. If it feels too hard for you right now, it just means that you haven't done enough reps. It just means that you need to give yourself enough grace, enough time, enough patience, and it means that you need to have your own sense of motivation. There is a lot of sources for motivation that you can come to. The last step is to just keep on going, to just keep on choosing the path that you think is right for you. It's not always gonna be easy, but it is very fulfilling and rewarding. And I'm saying that now, seeing all the things that I have achieved ever since I made the first decision to actually go for my dreams and what actually makes me happy. So I am rooting for you. And I saw this quote just recently, and I want to end the video with this. Are you really willing to trade your potential for comfort and call it happiness?
Yun! Okay, sama kayo anak. Dali, isang selfie ako. Isang cute. Alright. Okay, sorry na pa, ano tayo, diba? It's almost 12 na, 15 minutes to 12.